add a drizzle more of sweet Thai chili sauce. Ooh, just like that. So this is my pan-seared salmon covered in sweet Thai chili sauce on a bed of stir-fried veggies, guys.
A vegan lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, and me born fi style. Girl a bubble for the king, them love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me a live versatile.
What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Keegan Lifestyle TV. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this flavor pack pan-seared salmon with some steamed veggies. Let's go. All right, guys. So this is 1.5 pounds of salmon fillet, and for this recipe, guys, I'm keeping the skin on. All right. Now we have a whole bunch of all-purpose seasoning blend right here, homemade. I don't think I'll be using all of it, but we'll see what happens. All right. So this is a tablespoon right here, guys, just so you can see it. All right. Season the top. And we're not gonna add too much seasoning because guess what? We're gonna add some sauce afterwards, and it's gonna add a nice salty flavor to it. A good salty flavor. All right, flip it over. And we're just gonna add about a tablespoon more. See, tablespoon. So in total, guys, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons to our salmon fillet. All right, rub it in, nice and slow. All right, now we're just gonna set this aside for about 2 minutes. All right, guys, so go ahead and add a little drizzle of vegetable oil, about 2 tablespoons, guys. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add about a tablespoon of sesame oil, guys. Sesame oil. And you want to turn your stove to about a high heat. We're going to be cooking this entire veggie mixture on high heat until it's fully cooked. All right, we're just going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes, guys. All right, y'all, so we're going to start off by sauteing these lovely ingredients. We have some fresh thyme. This is 1 tablespoon of thyme. We have 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, 5 cloves of garlic, and we have 1/2 cup of green onions. Drop it in. We're just gonna do this for about 30 seconds, guys, just to bring out some of that flavor. We also have 1/2 cabbage right here and 1 carrot. Stir it up. This is smelling so good, guys. Oh my God. Lovely. Yeah, so we're gonna add about 1 tablespoon more, guys, of sesame oil, just to add that flavor to it. We're gonna add a tablespoon more of our all-purpose seasoning blend. Only a tablespoon, not much. Not more than that, guys. Oh yeah. This pan is super hot. Stir it up. All right, so here I have some frozen veggie mix. So this is a combination of bell peppers, onions, broccoli, carrots. This is about 15 ounces, guys. You can find something like this at your local supermarket, Publix, Walmart, Kroger, wherever you're located at. Just find your local supermarket. So I've been sauteing my veggies for about 2 minutes now, 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna add about 1/3 cup of soy sauce. add some hoisin sauce. We're just gonna eyeball this and say it's about 3 tablespoons, guys. That's gonna add a nice flavor to our recipe or veggie mix. Stir it up. This is gonna be so good. And now we're gonna add a little bit of water, let it steam for a few minutes. All right, y'all, so we're gonna add some water, and like I said, let it steam. Yeah, man, so we're gonna go ahead and drop in the salmon. And we're gonna sear our salmon for about 5 minutes, guys. Maybe 2 minutes per side, 2.5 minutes per side, something like that. Yeah, man, so like I said, guys, after about 2.5 minutes, go ahead and flip your salmon. And my stove is on medium-high heat right now, guys. So we're just gonna cook our salmon for about 2 more minutes and everything should be good. Yeah, man, so after frying my salmon for about 5 minutes, 5 minutes to be exact, 2.5 minutes per side. It is nicely seared, nice and crispy, you know, on the skin side and also the other side. So I have 1 cup of sweet Thai chili sauce right here. We're just gonna glaze our salmon with it. If you don't have a brush, you can just pour it on top. It's looking so good, guys. Smelling good. I can't wait to bite, you know, take a bite of this lovely dish right here. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and flip it over real quick. I'm just making sure everything is nicely covered, guys, you know? Like I said, if you don't have a brush, you can pour it right on top. No big deal. Alright, guys, so this is our steamed veg, stir-fried veg right here. Cabbage, carrot, bell peppers, all that good stuff, guys. We're gonna add a little bit at a time, not too much. We're not gonna overdo it. Nice portion size, guys. All right, so a little bit more on this plate and a little bit more on this plate. Not too much. And now we're gonna add our salmon right on top of that bed of veggies, guys. Oh yeah. And we're gonna add a drizzle more of sweet Thai chili sauce. Ooh, just like that. For an extra saucy plate. And we're also gonna add some strawberry balsamic vinegar, all right? So this is my pan-seared salmon covered in sweet Thai chili sauce on a bed of stir-fried veggies, guys. All right, and a drizzle of strawberry balsamic glazed vinegar. Hope you enjoy this video, guys. I'm gonna take a bite and let you know how it is. Ooh. Look at this. I love a nice crispy salmon skin, guys. Wow, this is really good, guys. Look at this, fully cooked. And when you add it to the strawberry balsamic, glaze, vinegar glaze, it adds a nice tangy, flavor to it. Oh my God, guys, it's so flavorful. Wow. So everything on this plate, guys, is edible except for the plate. Never add anything to the plate that you can't eat, all right? This is a must-try recipe, guys. If you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you subscribe to the channel, don't forget to hit that notification bell. This way you'll be notified every time I post a new video. All right? Until next time, big up yourself. Peace, one love. I'm out.